Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Great World Leaders. The first leader we are going to see the story of Abraham Lincoln, the Liberator. Abraham Lincoln was one of the greatest presidents of United States of America. You all know, like India, United States of America is a country, and the president of America, the story you are going to learn. He removed slavery from his country forever. What is slavery? If somebody is working under some person, okay, you are working under some person and you have to do all the jobs without questioning, without proper salary and all, that is called slavery. In those days in the USA, the black skinned, that is a dark skinned people were there, they are from Africa, actually dark skinned people from Africa, like Indians, many people from Africa moved to US. They were taken away from as slaves from Africa as slaves by the like the Britishers dominated India. They dominated Africa also. From there they took in ships people to work there in US. So they were slaves by whites. The people in the northern states wanted to remove slavery. Okay, there were two states divided into two parts, that is the northern states and the southern states. In northern states, the people wanted to remove slavery. People in the southern states wanted to continue owning slaves. So what happened? Slaves, mostly blacks, were bought means what? Buying and selling. Bought and sold as property. As you buy a house or buy a thing, they were buying slaves. So they were bought and sold as property. They lived under very poor conditions. Slaves means you cannot question anything. They had no personal or civil rights. They did not have any rights of their own. And the people in the south wanted to have their own country where they could still keep slaves. சவுத்தில் வந்து அவங்க ஸ்டில் ஸ்லேவ்ஸ் வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. நார்தர்ன் ஸ்டேட்ஸில் ஸ்லேவரியை ஒழிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சாங்க. ஸோ வாட் டிட் ஹீ டூ? ஏப்ரஹாம் லிங்கன் Lincoln opposed slavery. He argued that blacks had the right to life, freedom and happiness. Blacks also had the rights. He did not allow southern states to form their own country. As a result, the northern and southern states went to war with each other. That is called civil war. Inside a country, war is happening. That is civil war. The war actually ended after 4 years. 4 years war was there. And the north one. The country remained united. Slavery was made illegal. Illegal means law, சட்டம். சட்டத்துக்கு புறம்பானது, against the law. That is illegal in the USA. Lincoln issued a proclamation. Declaring something is proclamation, government order, that freed all the slaves in the south. So all the slaves were freed. He was the first leader who was from the blacks and became the president of USA. Liberator. What is liberator? A person who sets free another person. Free பண்றது. Slavery is taking control of one person. One person கண்ட்ரோலில் வச்சுட்டு ப்ராப்பராக அவங்களுக்கு ஃபுட்டு சேல்ரி எதுவுமே இல்லாமல், எந்த ரூல்ஸும் இல்லாமல், they like animals, they were that even animals we don't treat like that. Okay, like that they were treated badly. Property, a thing that belongs to someone. Civil rights means the rights that each person has in the society. Like in India, we have some rights, laws and regulations that was framed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. When we got freedom, the law was written by the constitution. Illegal means not allowed in the law of the country. ஒரு countryக்கு ஒரு law. Against the law, if you do anything, that is illegal. Proclamation is public announcement of an important matter. Visionary is a person who can plan the future wisely and well. Now already I have told you how to find the meaning of new words. See, first you have to read the sentence with the word. Okay, then you have to, before and after sentence you have to see and look at the other words in the same sentence. Other words in the same sentence you have to see and guess the meaning. There is a method. Read the sentence, read before sentence and after sentence, read the sentence again, and then look at the words in the sentence, guess the meaning. Next is facts and opinion. What are facts? Facts can be proven, scientific. A statement you can prove true or false. That is fact. Opinion is a statement. He looks nice. That is a statement. What someone thinks or feels. Thinks or feels cannot be scientific. Okay, the people in the northern states wanted to remove slavery. That is a fact. Slavery was made illegal in USA. That is a fact, real thing. Abraham Lincoln was a great leader. That is one of the opinions of the author. He was honest, hardworking and great visionary. Even about Mahatma Gandhi, you can say many opinions you saw in that, no? For some persons, he is a great leader. But for some, I don't like, they say. Because some of them shot Mahatma Gandhi and killed him. Yeah? So, it was an opinion of a people. Author's opinion. Authors usually feel or think a certain way about a topic. While reading, think about how the author feel. Author or a perspective, we say. Perspective is thinking in that person's view. How does the author think? Does the author agree? Does the author disagree? After reading The Liberator, we can conclude that the author's opinion about Abraham Lincoln is, as a great leader, he was honest, hardworking and great visionary. That is the author's opinion. How can you prove that? The lines in the text that tell us this are, Abraham Lincoln was a great leader. He has mentioned this in the text. Few lines in the text tell you that this is the author's opinion. Okay. He was honest, hardworking and a great visionary. Okay. So in the next video we will continue this lesson, Abraham Lincoln, second part. Thank you.